Samsung's next Galaxy Fold 7 is believed to be more of an evolution than a radical makeover. According to rumors, the gadget will be as thin as 8.6mm when closed, which is almost as thin as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This would make it seem lighter and more pleasant to handle, particularly for individuals who like foldables that are more compact when closed. The Fold 7's shape is also rumored to be more rounded, comparable to the more recent Galaxy S Ultra versions. This might allow for a more comfortable hold while operating the phone one-handed. It is also rumored that the displays will be larger, with the inner display expanding to 8 inches and the outer screen rising to 6.5 inches. This would make the foldable feel more premium and suitable for movie viewing, gaming, and multitasking. The Fold 7's cameras are likely to be enhanced, with reports indicating that the 50-megapixel primary camera would be replaced with a 200-megapixel sensor akin to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, resulting in crisper shots, improved low-light performance, and a considerable increase in image quality. The rumored system features a 12AP ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 10-megapixel front-facing selfie camera, and a 4-megapixel under-display camera for the internal screen. The Fold 7 will most likely employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU, which also powers the Galaxy S25 Ultra, so anticipate faster speeds, longer battery life, and more advanced AI capabilities. However, there are rumors that Samsung may employ its own Exynos 2500 processor in select areas, resulting in somewhat varied experiences depending on where you purchase the phone. On the software front, the Fold 7 is likely to ship with One UI 7, which includes all of the Galaxy S25 series AI capabilities, such as Short for tailored updates, Sketch-to-Image for AI-generated art, and Portrait Studio for improved picture editing. Samsung is anticipated to formally announce everything this summer, so we won't have to depend on rumors for much longer. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.